Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Friends, you all know that on 1st July 2023, Doctors' Day was celebrated with all paraphernalia. Vaidyo Narayano Hari. We call the doctor as demigod because in the times of crisis, he is the person who can save the lives of the patients. Definitely, we have to respect them. Of course, after the corporate culture, much less value or respect is being given to the doctors. On the eve of Doctors' Day, that is 1/7/2023, an untoward incident took place in Kerala state. Of course, not in our state. It took place in Kerala. A house surgeon by name Mr. Hanif Mohammed, he was attacked by the patient's relatives for no reason. That's the main problem. So on that fateful day, at about 1:30 p.m. or so, this house surgeon along with another lady house surgeon, they were having tea in the cafeteria. At that time, the accused person, you can say, Robert and his name is Robin and Cyrus. Robin and Cyrus, both of them who came to the Ernakulam Govt.hospital to call on the relative of Robin. Of course, Cyrus has no connection with it. One of the relatives of Robin has been taking treatment in the hospital. These people came to the hospital, they visited the cafeteria. At the time, they found the two house surgeons having tea and chitchatting with each other. And these boys, Robin and Cyrus, they passed adverse comments or sexual comments on the so-called house surgeon, and infuriated by this, the present house surgeon, Mr. Mohammed, warned them. Then there ensued a wordy duel which resulted into the assault on the doctor. So normally you may be knowing, the words will be starting with the wordy duel, ultimately it will result in the so-called assault or battery as we call in the law of torts. Is resulted as an assault because CCTV footage shows the enragement of the youth and also the assault on the house surgeon. Incidentally, the medical attendants, the visitors who came to the government hospital, Ernakulam, all these people gathered there, and these two boys, Robin and Cyrus, they retreated. Later, these two house surgeons, they reported the matter to the police, to the hospital authorities first, then they reported it to the police. Police took, of course, stern action. They arrested them on non-bailable sections because Doctors Protection Act is there. Present days, it is very powerful act because you can't fix up the medical negligence on the part of the doctors, even though they are, of course, it is latent negligence, like leaving the scissors inside the abdomen or abdominal pack, all these things. Definitely you can file a case. Otherwise, it's very difficult to file a case of medical negligence on the doctors. Likewise, something happens, you cannot go and damage the hospital. You cannot go and thrash the doctor and the staff. That's the protection to the doctors. It has to be given. Even in Andhra Pradesh also, we have got the act. It is linked the act. So immediately the cases were booked, they were arrested. Now the point is, the house surgeons lament. No doubt those people tried to attack me. But the patients to whom I have prescribed medicines, they also stood and watched. So nowadays it has become the order of the day that nobody tries to interfere. ఇప్పుడంతా చూస్తుంటే ఏదైనా ఇన్సిడెంట్ జరిగితే వీడియో తీయటం తప్ప నో బడీ విల్ ఇంటర్ఫియర్. He lamented like that. Anyway, let the law take its own course and punish the accused persons. Why I am making this video is because number one, it is Doctors' Day. Second, I want to impress upon all the persons that the doctors should not be assaulted, particularly for no reason. And there is a Protection of Doctors Act also. We have discussed the same in the other videos also. So I don't want to reiterate the so-called sections and other things. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.